How to record your PC screen. Hello everyone, my name is Tim and in this video I'll show you how you can easily record your PC screen. Let's get started. First we go to the Chrome store and search for Veed, which is V-E-E-D. We select Veed Screen Recorder and then we're going to click on Add to Chrome to add the extension to the Chrome browser. Or click on the first link in the description to go to the extension. To record your screen, simply go over to the extensions folder on the right top corner of your browser, open Veed's extension, and you will see you will have a wide variety of options. You can choose to record only your webcam, your screen and your webcam together, or solely your screen. Of course, make sure your webcam and your microphone are connected. Choose your preferred webcam and microphone and click on recording. Now you can choose to record your entire screen, a certain window or a Chrome tab. For now I'm going to choose to record my entire screen. Choose the one you like, hit share, and after the 3-second countdown, your screen will start recording. Now your microphone will pick up your sound in the recording, as you will see and hear in this example. And in this video I'll show you how you can easily record your screen on your PC. A cool rainbow colored glow will appear around your webcam box every time you talk, to further captivate your viewers. During your recording you can easily relocate your webcam by clicking and dragging the box. You can also resize it through the options on the bottom corners. You can even use some cool features to optimize your recording. For instance, use the pen tool on the left to highlight certain areas on your screen. You can also add some sticky notes which are easily editable and adjustable during your recording. To top it off, activate confetti to celebrate your awesome presentations to your viewers. When you finish recording, hit the stop button and your video will automatically be rendered. Once your video is rendered, you can easily rewatch your video on the left hand side. Simply click on the edit video button if you would like to add text, filters, music, audio visualizers or subtitles. If you indeed further edited your video and you want to export it, simply click on the export button on the right top corner. Then you click on export video, and in the end if you would like to download your video to your PC, click on the download MP4 button. And that's how you record your screen on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and it helped you out. And please consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments so we can get back to you. For now, my name is Tim. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.